Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to delete destinations on Waze in 2026. If you want to remove all places from your recent searches and keep your Waze history organized, here's how to do it. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main map, tap the search bar to open your recent destinations and searches. Find the destination you want to remove from the list, depending on your device and Waze version. You may be able to swipe left on this destination or tap the available options next to it. Select the option to remove or delete the destination. The location will then disappear from your recent destinations. If you want to remove more destinations, repeat the same process for each location you no longer need. Remember, deleting a recent destination doesn't necessarily delete a saved place. So if the location is saved, you may need to remove it separately from your saved places. And that's how to delete destinations on Waze. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.